Hello there, welcome to the June 2018 paper. Here we're looking at question 7. So, in triangle ABC, side AB is length 10 centimeters, AC is 5 centimeters, and BAC is theta, where theta is measured in degrees, and the area of the triangle is 15 centimeters squared. Find the two possible values of cos theta. Let's just draw out our little triangle, visualize the problem. Let's call it A, B, and C. So A to B is 10 centimeters, A to C is 5 centimeters. Okay, very bad diagram, but yeah, there we go. And BAC is theta. So, and the area of the triangle is 15 centimeters squared. So find the two possible values of cos theta. Okay, well the formula I know for the area of a triangle is half AB sine C equals the area of the triangle. So let's use this little formula. It's going to be a half times 10 times 5 times sine theta equals the area, which is 15. So let's now simplify this. The half will times by the 10 to make a 5. Then we'll divide by 25 onto the other side. So it's going to be sine theta equals 15 divided by 25, which equals 3/5. So that's the value for sine theta, but now we need to work out the value for cos theta. So how do I link sine theta and cos theta together? Well, I know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta equals 1. So if I put 3/5 into sine, that's going to be 3/5 squared plus cos squared theta equals 1. So that's going to be 9/25 plus cos squared theta equals 1. Subtract the 9/25 onto the other side, and you're going to get cos squared theta equals 16/25. And then square roots both sides, you're going to get cos theta equals 4/5, plus or minus 4/5, because it's square rooting. So there we are, that's the answer for this question. The two possible values of cos theta is plus or minus 4/5. So at no point here did I work out what theta was equal to. Okay, let's now move on to part B then. So if we just do it down the side of this page here, given that BC is the longest side of the triangle, find the exact length of BC. So in this question here, we're going to be using the cosine rule. A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So it's going to be 5 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 5 times 10 times, and cos A, well, we know the value for cos A is equal to plus or minus 4/5, so we don't have to put A in, we can just put the value for cos theta in, or cos A in, and that would be 4/5. Let's try 4/5. We've got two values, we'll try both and see which side gives us the longest side of the triangle. So it's going to be 25 plus 100 minus, let's do this bit on the calculator, 2 times 5 times 10 times 4/5 will give us 80. So therefore, if we simplify this, it will be 45. So then, if that's A squared, then A is going to equal the square root of 45. Let's work out what the square root of 45 is. The square root of 45 is 6.7. And hold on, that won't make the longest side of the triangle, because AB is 10, so that would be the longest side of the triangle. So it's not going to be that. How do we adjust what we've done so far? Well, actually, we've only taken 4/5 as our value for cos. Let's now use minus 4/5 as our value for cos. So if we were to do the exact same calculation, we would just have a minus where the 4/5 is. So now the calculation would be A squared equals 25 plus the 100, and now it would be minus 2 times 5 times 10 times minus 4/5, that would make it plus 80. So let's now simplify this, and that would give us 205. And the square root of 205 is, let's see if it simplifies as a third, just type it in your calculator. 205 is 14.3, so yes, that would be the longest side of the triangle in that case. So a tricky little question, that one, and only worth 2 marks. I thought it might be a bit worth a bit more. You have to use minus 4/5 as your value for cos theta, rather than just the positive one, which was 4/5, because that would not give you the shortest, that would not give you the longest side of the triangle. So that is incorrect on that answer there. The answer is square root of 205. And there we are, that's the answer for question 7. Let's now move on to question 8.